Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you want to get beautiful curls overnight while you're comfortably sleeping, then you should get this heatless curl set from Gwabee.
I have been searching for a heatless curl set that is comfortable to wear while sleeping all night long. I absolutely love heatless curling my hair, but we all know that not every single one is super comfortable. But this one is amazing. It is the version A, and it's this great flat design at the top, which I find so easy to work with my hair. I don't end up with a weird bump at the top of my head in the morning. And this velvet material is so soft and so nice on my hair. And I really love that it comes with everything you need, multiple hair ties, clips, and even a bonnet to sleep in when you go to bed. And all you have to do when you get up in the morning is just do the opposite of what you did to put this in. So untwist it and you will have the most beautiful, floofy, big heatless curls, and your hair will be so happy that you are not damaging it further with curling irons or anything like that. I have a ton of hair and I just really love how easy this is and how beautiful the curls come out when I use this heatless curler. It is so easy and I think everyone should have their own.
So get this amazing heatless curl set. You are going to love it and so will your hair. And that is my point of view.